Hello everyone, I Priyanka Bisht, your science teacher, is here with a new chapter that is plants in the surroundings. In this chapter, we are going to study in detail about the various parts of a plant and their functions. So, let us start. Children, have you observed a small plant? As a whole, it is called a plant, but it can be divided into parts. Like animals, plants also have different parts performing different functions. Look at this picture of a full plant. You will observe two main parts of a plant: shoot and root. The part of the plant which remains under the ground is called its root. The part of the plant which remains under the ground is called its root. The part of the plant which is above the ground is called its shoot. It consists of leaves, stem, branches, flowers, and fruits. The part of the plant which is above the ground is called its shoot. It consists of leaves, stem, branches, flowers, and fruits. Now, let us know the parts of a plant in detail. So, let's start with the roots. Root is the non-green part of a plant which grows under the ground. Now, let us see the functions of roots. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. Root hold the plant firmly in the soil. They help the plants to stand up even if there is a strong wind. Roots help the plants to stand up even if there is a strong wind. They move down into the earth in search of water. They move down into the earth in search of water. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. In some plants such as radish, carrot and beetroot, the food prepared by the plant is stored in the roots. We eat these roots and get nutrition. So, the radish, carrot and beetroot are some edible roots. Children, do you know there are mainly two types of roots? First, fibrous roots. Second, tap roots. So what are fibrous roots? Some plants have many small roots growing from the end of the stem. These roots are called fibrous roots. grass, and wheat have fibrous roots. Now, what are taproots? It is one main thick root with several thinner roots growing from it. Mango and neem trees have taproots. Now, let us know about stem. Stem is the green or brownish part of the plant which grows above the ground. It is the main part of the shoot. Now, let us focus on the functions of stem. The stem helps the plant to stand erect. The stem helps the plant to stand erect. Next, it carries water and minerals to all the parts of the plant. It carries water and minerals to all the parts of the plant. Plants like sweet potato and sugarcane store food in their stem. Plants like sweet potato and sugarcane store food in their stem. Children, do you know different plants have different types of stem? So, let us know about different types of stems. Trees. They have a thick and woody stem called trunk. Shrubs. They have a thin and woody stem. Herbs. They have a thin and green stem. Climbers. They have a thin, green and very soft stem. Now, the next important part of the plant is the leaf. Leaves are green in color. Leaves are green in color. Leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which helps them to make their food. Leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which helps them to make their food. Children, different plants have leaves of different shapes and sizes. You can see in this picture, there are different types of leaves. Let us study the parts of the leaf. Children, all leaves have some basic parts. Stalk. It attaches the leaf to the branch of the tree. Next, leaf blade. It is a flat and broad part of the leaf. Next, in the middle of the leaf is the main vein. Many side veins branch out from the main vein. Tiny openings present on the underside of the leaf are called stomata. Stalk. It attaches the leaf to the branch of the tree. Leaf blade. It is a flat and broad part of the leaf. In the middle of the leaf is the main vein. Many side veins branch out from the main vein. Tiny openings present on the underside of the leaf are called stomata. Look at this picture. This is a structure of a leaf, and these are the different parts of a leaf. Stalk. It attaches the leaf to the branch of the tree. Stomata. They are the tiny openings on the underside of the leaf. In the middle of a leaf is the main vein. Many side veins branch out from the main vein. Leaf blade is the flat and broad part of the leaf, and the tip of a leaf is called as leaf apex. Now, let us discuss the main functions of leaves. The main function of the leaves is to prepare food for the whole plant. Leaves prepare food for the whole plant. Children, do you know that leaves are called the food factory of the plant? Well, it is because they prepared the food for the whole plant. Now, let us see how the leaves prepare food for the plant. The leaves prepare food with the help of carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. The process by which plants make their own food in the presence of air, water, and sunlight is called photosynthesis. In this process, oxygen is released. Some plants like mint and spinach store food inside them. We eat these leaves to get nutrition. Now, let's highlight on the most attractive and beautiful part of the plant, that is flower. The bud on the stem of a plant changes into a flower. The bud on the stem of a plant changes into a flower. They are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. They are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. They are the most attractive and beautiful part of the plant. They are the most attractive and beautiful part of the plant. Children, do you know that most of the flowers contain a sweet smell, and this sweet smell of flowers attracts insects to the flower. They come to the flower to suck its nectar. Look at the picture. These are the flowers of different colors, shapes and sizes. Now, let us discuss the functions of flowers. A flower grows into a fruit. A flower grows into a fruit. Flowers like cauliflower and broccoli store food and are edible. Flowers like cauliflower and broccoli store food and are edible. Now let us discuss the next part of a plant, that is fruit. A flower changes into a fruit. A flower changes into a fruit. They are the juicy and fleshy part of a plant. They are the juicy and fleshy part of a plant. They have seeds inside them. Fruits have seeds inside them. The number of seeds in different fruits is different. The number of seeds in different fruits is different. Some fruits like papaya and watermelon contains many seeds. Fruits like apple and orange have a few seeds within them, whereas fruits like pineapple and banana have no seeds inside them. Let us see the functions of fruits. We eat fruits of plants like apple and banana. We eat fruits of plants like apple and banana. Fruits of some plants are eaten as vegetables. Examples: pumpkin, tomato and brinjal. Fruits of some plants are eaten as vegetables. Examples are pumpkin, tomato and brinjal. Now the next important part of a plant is seed. Children, do you know that a new plant grows from a seed? Well, yes. A seed has a baby plant inside it. A seed has a baby plant inside it. Seeds are very important as they grow to produce a new plant. Now let us discuss the structure of a seed. A seed has the following parts. First, seed coat. Seed coat is the outer covering of the seed. It protects the baby plant present inside the seed. Now the next part is seed leaves or cotyledons. The cotyledons contain stored food which is used by the baby plant for growth. Next part is embryo. It is the baby plant that grows into a new plant. Look at the picture. this is the structure of a seed. Here you will see the outer covering of the seed. This is the seed coat. It protects the baby plant present inside the seed. Inside the seed coat, there are cotyledons. The cotyledons contain food that is used by the baby plant for growth. Here you will see a tiny baby plant. Inside the cotyledon is embryo that grows into a new plant. Children, now let us discuss kinds of seeds. First, monocot seeds. What are monocot seeds? Seeds that have only one cotyledon are called monocot seeds. Seeds that have only one cotyledon are called monocot seeds. Here, mono means one. Examples: wheat, maize, rice. Now, second, dicot seeds. Seeds that have two cotyledons are called dicot seeds. Seeds that have two cotyledons are called dicot seeds. Here, di means two. Examples are bean, pea, gram. Children, now if you want to convert that seed into a new plant, what you are supposed to do? You need to put that seed into the soil and provide certain essential conditions which will help it to turn into a new plant. So, the process by which seeds grow into a new plant in the presence of air, water, and warmth is called germination. The process by which seeds grow into a new plant in the presence of air, water, and warmth is called germination. Now children, the question comes is, what are those essential conditions which are required for germination? So, as you can see on the screen, I have written three conditions which are very much essential for a seed germination. First, air, second, water, and third, warmth. First, air, second, water, and third, warmth. And they should be given in adequate amount. Now, move on to the next topic, that is process of germination. So, here are the stages of germination. First, the seed absorbs water and swells up. Its seed coat becomes soft. Second, the cells of the embryo start dividing as they get air, water, and nutrients. This makes the baby plant inside the seed grow. This results in the breaking of the seed coat. Third, the root starts growing in the downward direction and is called a radicle. Fourth, the baby shoot starts growing in the upward direction and is called plumule. Now, once the leaves are formed, the cotyledons are shed. So, these are the stages of process of germination. First, the seed absorbs water. Second, seed coat breaks. Next, the root starts growing in the downward direction and is called radicle. Next, the baby shoot starts growing in the upward direction and is called plumule. Next, once the leaves are formed, the cotyledons are shed. Now, the next topic is functions of seeds. Seeds grow into a new plant. We eat seeds of some plants as food grains. Example, wheat, maize, and pulses.